Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial on how to use the WordPress Media Library. If you've ever wondered how to organize, upload, or manage your images, videos, and other files in WordPress, this guide will walk you through everything step by step in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Begin by opening your web browser and going to the WordPress homepage. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner where you'll see the login option. Click that to start signing in. You'll now see different sign-in methods. To make it quick and secure, choose Continue with Google. This lets you use your existing Google account instead of typing in a username and password. When you click that option, select your preferred Google account and WordPress will grant access to your dashboard almost instantly. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the WordPress dashboard, your main control panel for managing your website. On the left-hand menu, look for the option labeled Media. Go ahead and click it. The Media section is where all your uploaded images, videos, audio files, and documents are stored. Think of it as your personal content library. Everything you've ever uploaded through WordPress, from blog post images to PDF downloads, can be found here. At the top of the media library, you'll see options to add new or import. The Add New button allows you to upload files directly from your computer. Simply drag and drop your images or videos into the upload area, or click Select Files to choose from your folders. The import option is useful when you want to bring in media from external sources or plugins. This keeps your library updated without needing to leave the screen. Below these buttons, WordPress provides helpful filters to make managing large collections easier. You can filter by media type, such as images, videos, or audio, or by the date they were uploaded. This is especially useful if you've been running your website for a while and need to locate specific files quickly. On the right-hand side, you'll also find a search bar. Simply type in a few letters or keywords from the file's name, and WordPress will instantly display all matching media. It's a powerful tool for keeping your workspace organized and clutter-free. Next, take a look at the main display area of the media library. You can switch between grid view and list view using the icons at the top. The grid view shows thumbnails of your media, making it easy to visually browse your files. The list view, on the other hand, gives you more detailed information like file name, upload date, and file type, which is perfect for more advanced media management. When you click on any media file, a detailed preview window will open. Here, you can see the image or video up close, along with important information such as its file URL, dimensions, and upload date. This window also lets you edit the file details. For example, you can change the title, add alt text for better SEO, or write a short description. If you ever need to remove a file, you can do that too. Just click Delete Permanently and the item will be removed from your library. You can also copy the media URL directly from here if you need to insert it into a post, share it, or embed it elsewhere. The media library also allows you to download any of your uploaded files back to your computer with just a click. Super handy when you need backups or want to reuse content outside WordPress. And that's it. You've now learned how to log in, navigate the media library, upload new files, filter and search media, edit details, and manage your content like a pro. With these simple tools, you can keep your WordPress site organized, efficient, and visually engaging. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick WordPress tips, and share it with someone who's building their own website. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.